Good morning, good day, good afternoon. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I just caught this. I have shown you this website many times, which is swling.com, which has up-to-date information about amateur radio, shortwave radio, antennas. And here is a great little article by Dan Robinson. Of course, you know Dan Robinson. He does great reviews on YouTube, on radios. And he found in this latest movie that just came out, The Zero Day, look what he found. Go down here. This is on his TV. Look at that. What is it? It's a Tecsun. I don't know. I think he says it's the latest model that was released in 2024. Pretty cool. Thank you, Dan, for posting this. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.